I would say the hardest thing is learning how to be very succinct with their writing and very direct. Oftentimes, beginners in the sciences use too many words and don't know exactly the best way to phrase something, specifically when they're trying to relate to what they saw in lab or data that they've collected in their notebook, and the best way to explain that in writing. That can often be a challenge for students who are used to writing very long sentences or giving very detailed descriptions. In the sciences, we're very direct and very exact, and we're looking for shorter sentences, but long enough to convey the essence of the experiment. Sure. A common mistake sometimes we see, again, goes back to the wordiness. In science, you want to give enough detail to where a scientist could understand not only what you did in lab, but the interpretations that you're making in your report. So you want to give enough detail that if somebody wanted to repeat your work with a science background, they could do that. What you don't want to do, however, is give over detail or too much detail or write too many words. You always have to keep your audience in mind, and I think that's difficult for writers in the sciences at all levels, is understanding that the audience is typically going to be another scientist and not somebody without a science background.